Buddhāvataṃsaka Flower Ornament Sutra. Chapter 1. The Wonderful Adornments of the Leaders of the Worlds. Celestial King Kind Eye's jewel topknot found the door of liberation of clouds of compassion covering all. Celestial King Jewel Light Banner Fame found the door of liberation of always seeing the Buddha manifesting various forms of majestic bodies to all the leaders of the worlds. Celestial King Joy-Producing Topknot found the door of liberation, knowing from what virtuous actions the cities and buildings of all sentient beings came to be. Celestial King Admirable Mindfulness found the door of liberation, showing the deeds of the Buddhas developing sentient beings. Celestial King Lofty Supreme Sound found the door of liberation of knowledge of the becoming and decay of all worlds, and the signs of change of the ages. Celestial King Perfect Mindfulness found the door of liberation of calling to mind the acts of future enlightening beings in civilizing people. Celestial King Pure Flower Light found the door of liberation of knowledge of the cause of happiness in all heavens. Celestial King Son of Wisdom Eye found the gate of liberation, showing the acceptance and production of roots of goodness of all celestial beings, removing ignorance and illusion. Celestial King Independent Light found the door of liberation, enlightening all celestial beings, causing them to cut off all sorts of doubts forever. At that time, Celestial King Chakra Indra, imbued with the power of the Buddha, surveyed all the hosts of celestial beings of the 33 heavens, and spoke in verse, saying, I am conscious of the spheres of all Buddhas in all times being all equal, as their lands form and disintegrate. They see all by enlightened spiritual powers. The Buddha body is vast and all-pervasive. Its ineffable form, incomparable, aids all beings, the radiance of its light reaching everywhere. This path universal fame can observe. The Buddha's great compassionate ocean of techniques has been utterly purified by past eons of practice and guides sentient beings without bound. Jewel Topknot has realized this.